Welcome to this quick and updated guide on how to mark a server as read in Discord. If you're tired of seeing those unread message badges or just want to keep your server list clean and organized, this video is for you. Let's get started right away. First, open the Discord app on your phone or computer. Make sure you're signed into your account and that the server you want to manage is visible in your sidebar. Discord servers can quickly get busy, so marking them as read helps you keep track of what's new versus what's already been checked. Now open the server you want to clear notifications for. Once you're inside, look toward the top of your screen where the server's name appears. Tap or click on the server's name. This will open a small drop-down menu with several options related to the server's settings and tools. From the list that appears, find and tap Mark as Read. As soon as you do this, Discord will automatically remove the unread indicators for all channels within that server. You'll notice that the red dots or numbers next to the channels disappear, showing that everything has been read. It's that simple and takes just a few seconds.